Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 365 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We have the 302 Ford, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, correct oil pan for the 67 Mustang front sump oil pan, engine block painted the Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. AFR aluminum cylinder heads. These real nice blue ignition wires made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. This real nice polished ball milled valve covers with the matching air cleaner with a washable filter. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Aluminum intake manifold. Quick fuel carburetor. Throttle return spring. Throttle cable ball and bracket on there. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups. Correct automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford. We have the PCV ventilation line on there. Heavy duty Russell line. Chrome fuel line. Russell fuel line. Gas filter on there. High flow fuel pump. Oil pressure extensions on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. With this real nice Raptor serpentine pulley kit. This is a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on here, high flow aluminum water pump, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We'll set the ignition timing for you, adjust the idle mixer screws on the carburetor. Completely fully tested, ready to go. So again, this is our 302 Ford, 365 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 67 Mustang. Thanks for watching.